Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products. Your laundry will smell amazing for up to a year. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have at home. Even after pulling clothes out of the closet, you'll notice their beautiful fresh scent. Grab a bowl or small container. Add a generous amount of ice cubes. The ice melts slowly, which helps gradually release the fragrances. This allows the ingredients to absorb better into the fabric. Next, add a good amount of laundry detergent powder. It acts as a scent carrier, releasing fragrance with every movement of the fabric. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bowl, then pour in even more softener. Mix everything thoroughly. The ice should be well coated with the mixture. This is important. Place your clothes or other textiles like towels or bedding into the washing machine drum. My neighbors always ask how I do it when I hang my laundry out on the balcony. Pour the contents of the bowl directly into the drum. Start the wash cycle as usual. Your clothes will come out smelling incredibly fresh and fragrant for a long time. A homemade trick that works better than many expensive scented products. Stop hanging wet clothes the usual way. There's a smarter method that saves space and time. Most people hang shirts lengthwise over the metal bars of the drying rack, which means you can only fit about 5 shirts per wing. But here's the trick. That same space can hold twice as many if you hang them differently. Grab each shirt by the bottom hem and clip it sideways across the width of the rack, not along the bars. Hang the next shirt right next to it, the same way. This way, clothes don't overlap so they dry faster and more evenly. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts on one wing. It's not just space-saving. Better air circulation means quicker drying. And here's a bonus. Shirts hung by the hem tend to straighten under their own weight, which makes ironing easier or even unnecessary. A simple change, but it makes a big difference. Never hang wet clothes the usual way. Here's how to quickly refresh your socks. They will look like new. Yellowed socks are a problem you've probably dealt with, but there is a simple solution. Prepare half a liter of water and add a little potassium permanganate. Stir well until the powder is completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a bowl with warm water and soak your socks in it. Leave them for a few minutes so the mixture can work. In the meantime, prepare a second bowl with clean water and add hydrogen peroxide. Once the socks have soaked, take them out of the first bowl and gently squeeze out the excess water. Then carefully dip them into the hydrogen peroxide water and wait a moment. You will see how they regain their white color. This is a simple and effective method that will make you forget about yellowed, dull socks and enjoy their fresh, clean look again. Your socks will look like new, and the whole process will take you just a few minutes. Throw a smelly and stained towel into the pan. This way you can save all your kitchen towels. Let me show you how this trick works. Take the towel you want to bring back to life and put it in the sink. Squeeze about 2 inches of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry helpers and works great at removing stains and discoloration. Next, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the towel with the toothpaste. Finally, pour some dish soap over it. Now soak the towel in hot but not boiling water. The entire towel should be completely wet so the ingredients can work better. Use chopsticks or tongs to stir the towel so it absorbs more water. After 1 hour, take it out and wash it normally in the washing machine. After washing, you'll notice the difference. The towel will be much whiter than before and free from stains and unpleasant odors. Toss it in the washing machine, and dirt and limescale will disappear. Your washer will be clean, and your laundry will always smell fresh. But before you focus on the drum, it's essential to take care of other key parts. Regular cleaning is crucial for fresh laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Start with the washing machine door. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay special attention to the seals, where detergent residue, hair, and dust tend to accumulate. Next, tackle the detergent drawer. Never skip this spot. Pull it out, break a cleaning tablet into each compartment, pour in some vinegar, and scrub it all with a brush. Vinegar has antibacterial and disinfecting properties and helps dissolve dried-on deposits. Now, onto the washing machine drum. Toss in 2 cleaning tablets. These aren't expensive, specialized products. These simple tablets for cleaning dentures contain soda and citric acid, effectively removing limescale, greasy deposits, and bacteria. Set the program as usual. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will thank you with fresh, fragrant laundry and trouble-free operation. Throw 2 dishwasher tablets into the washing machine. This simple trick for a smelly washer works instantly. It'll be as clean as new. Regular cleaning is the key to fresh-smelling laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Pay special attention to the rubber seals, drum, and door. That's where most of the grime, detergent residue, and moisture build up. Never skip those spots. In a large container, dissolve 1 dishwasher tablet in about 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, of very hot water. Stir well until it fully dissolves. In a separate container, pour about 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, of vinegar. It has antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Pour the dishwasher tablet mixture into the detergent drawer. Pour the vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. Set your washer to a 140-degree Fahrenheit, 60-degree Celsius cycle and run it. During the cycle, the drum and seals will get a thorough cleaning. Not only will the buildup disappear, but so will bad odors and hidden gunk under the drum. You can also pour the dishwasher tablet solution into a spray bottle and use it as a cleaner for other parts of the washer. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will reward you with fresh, clean laundry and trouble-free operation. Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned,